how to change the default home app or the system launcher for your Samsung phone with One UI 7.0. So let's just say you finish installing a new launcher onto your Samsung phone from the Play Store and you want to change it to that one here. So use the quick access, go to the settings toggle right here. And once you tap on that, you now want to go down until you see apps. So go down until you see the apps section. So it's to the far bottom right here. And once you're in this section here, you'll tap on it. And by going here now, you'll see where it says choose default apps. Once in the default apps section here, you will see home app here, which is this one right here, home app. And if you installed any of the launchers from the Play Store or perhaps maybe the Galaxy Store and they are compatible with your Samsung phone, it will appear here. Now, just so you know, if you do select another one, going from the One UI to a new one, you are going to totally change the way how your home system launcher operates. So everything's going to be changed up and you'll just have to go through the prompts here. So you can see here, once I do this, it's going to say get started and you will have to set it up and change everything around. So when you're ready, go ahead and proceed. But I'm just showing you that that's what's going to happen. So I will just come out of here and switch back to my One UI because I do love my One UI, but that's where you would go to do this if in case you were wondering. Like and sub.